everyone, I'm back to show you how to make this glam DIY that I just showed you the pics of, and here are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright my glamsters, we're going to start with these peel and stick tiles. Yeah, I got them from my Dollarama over here, but you can find them on Amazon and different places. The nice peel and stick tiles. We are going to try our decor using these items. So as you can see, it has triangles, and I'm just cutting them into individual pieces. Just take your scissors and cut it. It's very easy. And if you're new here, welcome. By the way, I'm Petalisbless. Welcome to my channel. Let's continue with today's DIY. And like I'm showing you here, the little plastic peels off the back, and then they have the adhesive to stick it down to whatever you choose to. And some of the tiles I cut in half, some I left whole. And here is our vase, and we are just going to take our pieces and line them up on a pattern on the vase. And while you're here, I hope you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And now that we have our pattern, we are just gonna take the foam off the back, the little piece of plastic, and stick down our triangles onto our vase. Now it is a peel and stick, so if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can lift it up and lay it down again, just like I'm doing here. Now we're just going to continue and lay the rest of them down. It's all my fault, said it's all my fault. If I didn't lie, you would be here now. And I respect that you didn't take that from me. And now for the side of the vase, we're going to put 3 of the rectangles down, and we're going to apply it to both sides of our vase. And one more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I mean. And now that our pattern is all done, we are going to use the bling chains that we got from BeeBeeCraft. And here we have the clear crystal, and then we have the blue one that I'll be using. And the clear one is a 3 milliliter chain, and the blue one is a 2 milliliter chain. So here I have the chains. I already cut them to the length that I need. So I'm going to use some E6000 and lay them onto our vase. And now I'm just using an X-Acto knife and straightening out the chain. And it is the E6000, so you have time to straighten it out and let it set to dry. And then I'll be doing the same pattern on the back. After a few hours now, I had the chain dry on both sides. I had the E6000 sit to dry a bit. After a few hours, you can use it. After 24 hours, it's fully dry. So the same pattern on the front and on the back. So now I'm going to use some of the crushed glass from Michael's, and we're going to use some Mod Podge. And I'm going to add some glitter too. So we're just going to fill in the spaces that are clear and add our crushed glass there. And as you know, every time we add the crushed glass and you lift it up, you will have foliage. Yes, not everything sticks to it at once, but that's okay. You can add more back to your decor. And we're just going to continue and add the crushed glass going right around the vase. And now we are going to set aside the vase so the Mod Podge and the crushed glass can dry at least for 1 hour. Okay, we've been sitting for 1 hour now, and as you can see, it's dry. Now at this point, you can add more crushed glass if you like, or if not, I'm not going to add any more. I'm just going to add the Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we don't have no foliage coming off of our vase. And now I'm going to be adding some glitter. And I'm just going to continue sealing our vase, going right round, sealing in the crushed glass. And when I'm all done, I will let it set aside to dry overnight. Here's our finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. Can you imagine just using the peel and stick tiles? Yeah, the peel and stick tiles is what I did, as you saw. Cut off in the pattern that I wanted, and then we add it to our vase. Use some crushed glass, use some bling chain from BeeBeeCraft, and look what we got. We got a lovely piece of home decor, yes, or even a nice gift item for a loved one. I love how it looks. I think it looks super glam. And in my description box below, I have a coupon code if you'd like to purchase something from BeeBeeCraft. And here's our vase with flowers inside. I think it looks very nice for anyone who loves to add flowers to their vases. And I do like how it looks with the flowers inside. You can put smaller flowers than this, and I think it looks absolutely lovely. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right, 'cause no one can tell me who to love. And here we have it displayed as a nice accent piece for your home. I think the vase looks very nice all by itself. I love accent pieces. I think it looks very nice, shiny, glam, and it looks so elegant, something straight out of Z Gallery. Yes, I do believe it looks like something straight out of Z Gallery. And here it is displayed with the flowers inside. Another glam look. Anyway you have it, I think it makes a lovely decor for your home or even for a centerpiece. Yes, it will look lovely as a centerpiece. Also a great gift, like I said, for a loved one or for yourself. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIY. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like the idea of using the peel and stick tiles. And they do come in all shapes and forms and sizes, and you can just cut them out, add them to any decor that you like, and glam it up. Yes, another piece of interesting thing to use to help with your decor. Yeah, so leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl, I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you're down.